Hello, in this video today we'll be talking through the step 3 in the migration checklist, which is to export your contacts, and then later on we'll be looking at how do we put that within the new email system. So first of all, you're going to have to access the place where you log into your RM EasyMail. If you're on a curricular machine, you should have a shortcut already installed. Otherwise, what I'll do is I will post this address here in the description below, and what you would then look to do is where it says Earlston-Pry for me, that's where you'd place whatever your school domain is. So whatever it is, .scottborders.scout.uk, that's where you put in there. Please be aware when you're thinking about which contacts you need to export that all other teachers will be moving to the new email system as well. So they are most certainly not a priority to transfer across. What you're more looking for is colleagues who are maybe using the Scott Borders accounts, other colleagues in other authorities, or other professionals that you might work with, or other members of the community who you maybe work with on a regular basis. So then it's just a case of logging in as normal, and then you'll be brought to this screen. Depending on how you've worked your email systems in the past, the first thing you need to do might be to actually create a contacts list, because there's a chance that you might not have that. So to do that, what you do is you'd click on the email, which has the people who you're looking to add as your contacts. What you then should notice is over here in this corner, there is the option to then add contacts. So all I'm going to do there is click the add contacts button. It'll tell me who's all available. So what I would then recommend is you then choose to add them to the default, and then you click add selected. Depending on how this works, you might decide actually the ones with the Scott Borders.scout.uk, I don't need them. For the moment though, for this video, I'm just going to click add selected. So now when I go to my contacts, you'll see that I have a big list of email addresses. So now to actually export that, what we do is we go up to the top and we go to the one that says options. Then it's just a case of clicking the contacts here, and then scrolling down to the bottom where it says export contacts. So depending on how you've used the contacts in the past, you might have different contact lists. For me, I just have the one which is default, so I choose that. Format, well, we're going to create that as Microsoft Outlook.csv, and the rest it doesn't really matter. Then it's just a case of clicking export contacts. You can see there, because I'm using Chrome, it's just downloaded it straight away. If you are using Internet Explorer, chances are it'll ask you whether you want to save it or save as. I would recommend that you go to save as and you call it something you're going to remember, and you put it somewhere that you're going to find it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.